Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to earn interest on your stablecoins. You know, your pounds, dollars or euro, but this time directly on the blockchain. No banks, no finance app in the middle. Just your wallet wherever you are in the world, connecting straight to the blockchain and its protocol. And well, I'm going to do this with you step by step. I'll show you 3 ways. Each one gives you a little more yield, but of course also a little more risk. And listen, there is no easy money here. If something looks like fast money, it's usually because you can lose it as fast. So my goal is simple. By the end of this video, you will be able to do it by yourself and you'll understand every time you use the protocol exactly what risks you're taking. This space moves fast. New methods appear. Boosted yields pop up for a short while, then disappear. But the mechanism, they stay the same. Once you understand them, you will spot the opportunities and know when to walk away. All right, let's dive in. A lot of you ask me, Lamia, why not just leave my stablecoins on an exchange and earn yield? Well, first, because you don't actually hold your coins anymore. The exchange does. And second, especially here in Europe, regulation under MiCA makes this tricky. Some platforms have already stopped. Some still offer it, but honestly, it won't last. So in this video, we're staying fully decentralized from your wallet straight to the blockchain. 3 methods, from the simplest to the riskiest. And each time we'll pause so you really see the risks. So let's start simple. You deposit your stablecoin and you earn interest. This easiest example, Aave. It's big, it's multi-chain, it's been around for years. Let's say I've got £10,000 in USDC in my wallet and a bit of ETH for gas fees. Now, if you're using smaller amount, don't do this on Ethereum mainnet. Fees are still too high. Use Base or Arbitrum, where a transaction costs just a few pence. On Aave, you will see a list of assets to deposit and borrow. If I deposit USDC, I earn a yield that moves over time. One day it's 5%, the next it's 4 to 6. So always look at average over week or month, not just today's number. If I mark my deposit as collateral, I can also borrow against it. But if I want to keep it simple, I just supply USDC and earn. The risks, 2 things. First, stablecoin risk. Even big ones like USDC or USD can depeg for a short time. It's rare, but it happens. Second, protocol risk. Aave is strong audited, but at the end of the day, it's still code. Bugs can happen. That's why I prefer big, older protocols like Aave or Spark. They've been tested. So yeah, that's your base. Moving on to method 2, let's step it up. This is where you can chase higher yield. Platforms like Morpho let you put stablecoins into special vaults. Each vault has a strategy, some safe, some more risky. And the protocol part, besides the APY, you might also earn bonus token or points that can later turn into airdrops. The risks are the same as before, stablecoin and protocol, but now you add collateral risk because your coins are lent out to borrowers and their collateral could be rock solid ETH or much riskier new tokens. The higher the risk, the higher the yield. Morpho shows you details, past performance, fees, what collateral they accept, and sometimes they even suggest, hey, migrate your funds from Aave and earn more, which is true sometimes. But remember, more yield always means more risk. Just a quick mentions here. Before the advanced stuff, let me just mention a couple of other ways. You can provide liquidity on dexes like Uniswap, say USDC against USD pair, and earn swap fee. On Solana, Meteora does something similar, but lets you concentrate liquidity around price to boost earning. And then you've got delta neutral strategies. You hold an asset and short it at the same time, so the price movement cancel out. You just earn from funding fees. Projects like Athena package this into their stablecoin USDE, which pays a native yield. Still new, still risky, but interesting. All right, now for the spicy one. Method 3, expert the loop. This is where it gets fun and risky. You deposit a stablecoin, borrow against it, swap it back into the same stablecoin, deposit again, repeat. That's the loop. Each time you're staking deposits and boosting your yield, sometimes dashboards like MiCA highlight special incentives where looping earns extra. but you need to watch two numbers: your loan to value and your health factor. That's basically your safest buffer. If you borrow too much, or if your stable depeg even a little, you can get liquidated. Not only lose your coins, but also pay a penalty. So Pro don't max out. They leave space, they borrow maybe 70% of what's allowed, and they keep it to 2 to 3 loops. When the spread is good, say 12% deposits versus 6% borrowing, the return looks great. But the second boost stop or fees raise, the whole strategy flips. So yes, it works, but please don't start here if you're new. Learn it first, maybe practice with a small amount, and always know when to unwind. So here's the truth: getting high yield on stable coins for a short time, that's easy. Keeping it safe and constant over the long run, that's the hard part. If you see a big number, always ask, where is the risk and how long will it last? Personally, I keep most of my funds in simple lending or conservative vaults. I only test boosted strategies with small amount and I'm okay losing. And I always keep an eye on my exit. If you want me to go deeper into liquidity providing or advanced farming, let me know in the comment. And for daily tips and updates, join me on Telegram and X. I hope you found value on this video. I'm Lamia. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.